you guys, this is our hotel, and we're freaking freezing right now. Oh my gosh, y'all, my hands are so cold. We made it. Hey vlog, so I'm back, and I'm just chilling in my bed. I got my little fur hoodie on because it's so cold. And yeah, I just left from like fellowshipping, I guess, with the rest of the Be The Match members at like other schools. Like there's people here from like Wisconsin, Idaho, no, not Idaho, Indiana. I think there's a girl from Florida, New Jersey, and then there's some people from Texas that's coming. But yeah, I would have like vlogged in there, but like I didn't want to be throwing a camera in their face, and I'm just now like meeting them for the first time. So yeah, I'll probably end up vlogging tomorrow so y'all can, you know, see the stuff we're gonna be talking about for Be The Match. And yeah, so I'm about to give y'all a room tour really quick. The hotel is actually very nice and I'm so happy. And I'm gonna start right here. We got our mirror. Then you come in here. You got the bathroom. It's really cute. I love this hotel. The shower is so freaking nice. Like, I'm gonna be in here all freaking night. Like, I'm about to take the longest shower. And look at the shower head. That's so cool. I've never had a hotel with a shower head like that. And then here's the room. I got 2 double beds. Here's the television. So you know I'm gonna be watching Netflix tonight. And here's my name. Yes. Got this little area over here. And my view, I mean, it's cute. Kinda. I like the lights. You can see like some buildings over there. Sorry, y'all. Okay, you can't really tell. But yeah. And when I got here, Be The Match gave us like this little goodie bag. What kind of water this is? You gotta be purified. Yeah, it's purified water. Okay. But yeah, room tour. So like I'm the only black girl here, but that's fine because I figured I would be. There's a black guy here that's like one of the leaders over this conference. So that's pretty cool, you know. But yeah, I think we might be going to like a bar or something later. I met this girl here from New Jersey, and she was saying she wanted to go to a bar. So everyone that's of age, they gave us permission to go to the bar. So yeah, we're probably gonna go out. I'm probably gonna like head back upstairs in a second, just to see what everybody decided to do. There's our hotel right there. So nice. Good morning, you guys. I am so freaking tired. Like, yeah. But I'm up getting ready to put on some makeup and then head downstairs for breakfast. And yeah, I'm so tired, like I said. But yeah, after I eat breakfast, we're gonna head to headquarters for our Be The Match conference. I'm excited, you know. Y'all, so I just got finished eating, right? Sorry it's dark in here. But tell me why they charge Be The Match $15 a head for continental breakfast. We only had oatmeal, I think boiled eggs, scrambled eggs. I mean, it's not that continental, but like, we had like toast, I think croissants. What else we had? Sausage and like 3 different cheeses. And then like, they had like juice and stuff. But $15 a head, that should be free. All that stuff they had downstairs should have been free. Or at least $5, like, or not even at least, at the most $5. Because that's ridiculous. But I'm finna head downstairs, well, back downstairs, because we're all about to head to go to headquarters. And I'm excited. I never thought in a million years I'll be visiting Be the Match headquarters, but I am honored that they were, you know, well, what's the word I'm looking for? I'm grateful that, you know, they felt the need to, you know, fly us all out and stuff. Like, I'm happy about that. So, yeah, I'm about to head downstairs. I'm just packing my stuff back up, so when housekeeping come in here, then I'll be touching. And yeah, my mom was trying to get me to put this on, y'all. What? Oh wait, no, that's not it. But still, what I look like putting on this scarf? It like go around your neck. It's like it's not even a scarf. I got my sneakers, cause I can't walk in sneakers out there, but when I get to headquarters, I'm changing into my sneakers.
Then not really going back to school at all after that. So I relapsed. It was very it was a bad relapse. So they said I only had a 20% chance of living if I didn't get a match on the registry. They had tested my sister and my parents. They weren't matches at the time. And so they actually told us to go to Children's in Milwaukee. So we were in Chicago, suburbs of Chicago, went to Children's in Milwaukee. They found a match on the registry. Went through like the intense chemo and radiation for 3 months. And then in January of 2002, I had my transplant. And so we always celebrate that day in January. It's my second birthday. And I am like so grateful that my donor, Rita Zapian, joined the registry when she did at Texas A&M. Now I know we have some Texas A&M people out here. That's where my donor went, and that's where she joined the registry. And she said the scariest part for her was after she got the call to donate, keeping herself alive, because she knew that another life depended on it. And that means a lot. Like, so well, everything you guys are doing, just know that it makes an impact in some way, whether it's now or down the road.
So you guys, the conference is over. We can have our phones out, so I didn't do much recording. But here's the headquarters. It's so freaking nice. I'm about to take some pictures. I know it is really nice. Oh, it's like a timeline. I love it. I have a restaurant in here. Oh, let me get one right here. The light is better. So freaking cold out here.
I was gonna follow you guys.
Oh, okay. It's cold. I know. Do y'all want to say hi to my vlog? Hey. Minneapolis is so pretty.
Oh, we can walk across, guys.
Okay.
Because we came up this way. Wait, are you guys not walking all the way? Or you're taking like the train?
Oh, the train.
Yeah, okay. There's some group walking. I don't know.
Oh gosh. Y'all, if I slip and fall, I am going to scream.
It's too long.
Yeah, I know.
Y'all, this is so not safe. Okay. Oh, almost. Here, I'm going to talk to y'all while I walk. But my experience was amazing. I love Be the Match 10 times more now. Like, I've always been super passionate about Be the Match, but like this conference made me like 30 times more passionate, and it's so worth it, all the work we put in to like register people. So yeah, but we're walking back to the room now, and I'm like, I can't do this. There's so much black ice on the ground, and like my shoes aren't made for these. Like, my shoes keep my feet warm, but they're not the best for walking in snow. Why, I don't know, because they're weather boots, but it's fine. I just pray I don't break a leg. Like, let me show you what I'm walking on right now. What do you want to do?
Do we have to pay for it?
Yeah, it's like $2.
Alright, fuck it. That is $2.
Oh, guys, are y'all taking the tram? Huh? Oh. Let's just walk.
I like how the driver doesn't get a ticket because, like, if somebody's being a jerk in your car,
Right.
you can't be like, no, put it on.
I think that's why you don't.
That's the second tallest one that you got.
The Sears Tower. What did it used to be before the Sears Tower?
It used to be the Sears Tower. It's not the Sears Tower anymore.
I know, it got renamed.
Yeah, no, the Empire State Building, you can walk out on it, and they did like a test that if you drop something even as small as like a penny, by the time it hits the ground, if it hits someone, it could like cause serious damage and or death.
Yep.
So they put netting all around the Empire, so that when you're out on the balcony, you can't drop anything.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Gravity.
You know that gravity, yep.
We're eating dinner now.
Did you just hit that?
Yeah.
Oh, this is very nice. Reminds me of Cheesecake Factory. Ooh. That looks so good.
That's cute.
Right. Let me tell y'all how the restaurant we went to, I bit into my burger, right? And I learned my lesson. I bit into my burger, and the daggone burger was raw on the inside. Asked for a medium well burger. Why is it raw? That's just what I say. I said, babe, it's a snack. You said it's an entree. Look pretty. You look like Beyonce. Look like money back, money back, money back.
Oh, okay, you're still young. It's all right. There's time. Do you want to marry this woman? Do you see a life with her one day? Okay, all right. That's all that matters. You look like you just smoked a good old fat blunt, bitch. Okay. If y'all can see these eyes right now, she can barely hold them open.
Special recognition today because we met our chapter's fundraising goal last year, which was $1,000. And yeah, we met that. We actually surpassed that goal by like $400. So like we made like $1,400 last year. So yeah, that's really great because most organizations don't. There's over 60 organizations. There's over 60 campus chapters for a Be The Match on campus, and only 3 people met that goal. So yeah, we did an amazing job, and I really commend us. But yeah, I'm about to show y'all really quick what we got. We got this Be The Match jersey, and if you saw earlier in the video, like people who work for Be The Match had on this jersey. So yeah, they gave us this. So excited to wear this to our next drive. And then what I freaking love, they gave us this picnic blanket. But look, y'all, it's like, I don't know, I think its material is tarp, I'm not sure. But like, we got this material on the back side so that like it doesn't get dirty with like grass and stuff. Like the grass doesn't stain. So yeah. Be The Match came through for a sister. Y'all, they gave me the cutest freaking beanie. Like, and you know what's funny? Because during the meeting, they were like, what's something that you all guys, like, that you guys want or whatever, as far as merchandise? And everyone kept saying beanies because like most of the people in Be the Match are from up north. So everyone was like beanies, beanies, and literally me and Kai and like the 2 other schools that hit their goal, like we're the only ones who got something. So, well, we're the only ones who got beanies. So, yeah, this is really freaking cute. Okay, I cannot wait to wear this when I get back to campus.
Okay, ladies, now let's get information. I slay. Okay, ladies, now let's get information. You know you that bitch when you cause all this conversation. Always stay gracious. Best revenge is your paper.